Hello again, everybody. We're going to take a look at a stock chart here, MDXG, and this is one that we previously covered here a while ago, and I just kind of wanted to retouch on it because it's really important here, and I really think that you guys should be paying attention to this if you're invested in this, or if you're trading this, or if you're interested in investing in this, then you definitely want to watch this video. And after this video, what I want you to do is visit us at stockmarketvideo.com and sign up and join the membership. And the reason why you're going to do that is because when you join, you get instant access to the profitable trading alerts, these same alerts that we've been doing for the last over a decade. And the reason we've been doing this for over a decade is because our clients are happy, they're making money, everything is going great for us. Obviously, we don't make money on every trade, but we win more than we lose, and that's what it's all about. It's not about hitting home runs every time. It's about consistent profitability, and that's what our clients get when they sign up. So I implore you to take this opportunity at the end of the video. And the cool part is it's actually free to sign up. So there's zero risk to you whatsoever. So if you've been looking for a way to make money in the market, a new way to make money in the market, now is your chance. You finally discovered the way to do it. So go ahead and take this opportunity. It's free. There's zero risk to you. So go ahead and sign up. All right. So I'm going to take a look at, this is the weekly chart going back all the way to 2009. All right. You can see this trend line is very, very important. All right. You can see how many hits it's gotten right there, right there. I mean, we grinded up against it for almost an entire year right here. Finally broke over it. And look at this big dip right here. And look at where we came into, pretty much right against that trend line right there. Just recently, we had a dip against that trend line. And look at where it's bounced from. It's bounced from this trend line as well as this support. It was previous support here, there, right here. And here we are just bouncing against it all year. I think this is going to continue to get bounces as we're in a major uptrend. And I do see it heading higher in the long term. We've got support at about $7. I think if we do head lower in the short term, that's a good buying opportunity. This is a long-term play, and in the long run, I do see this heading up to that $14 gap that we created from this big gap down.